on our way to Mobile Tech Expo, bringing you guys all the information I'm going to gather. Good time, learn about tools, techniques, all that stuff. We'll check back in with you. As we travel and arrive to the Mobile Tech Expo, the anticipation always grows even greater, because just around the corner there's the new tools and techniques to help us bring everything to you, exactly what you need so that we can make your dents better in our relationship with you. Superb. The Mobile Tech Expo 2019.
And we often give a face and a name to
industry issues if I'm going to bring them a lot of value, right? There are a lot of dent guys, there are a lot of wheel repair guys, there are a lot of reconditioning companies and everybody's banging down their door. But I want to be the only one that understands automotive.
as a story and a post as well. So utilize your Instagram and Facebook stories.
Look for where the education holes are. Brick and mortar. The big thing is, if we don't know who we're talking to, we're just shot down.
Hey everybody, Sean with Divine Dents, and we've made it here for the expo. Nice. Got some friends come down from Texas with me, so having a good time hanging out. Gonna let you see what's going on here.
What you got?
Finding the right tool can be almost impossible sometimes, but at the Mobile Tech Expo, you can find nearly every one. The expo also allows us to meet up with old friends and make new friends from around the globe. With so many tools, sometimes it makes it extremely hard to choose. And you run out of money before you run out of tools. For more great videos, please hit the notification bell. Leave a comment so we know exactly the type of information that you like to see, because this is what we've gone to do, is gather the information that will help us to make a better repair for you. So leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe also.
I know he's got one of your hands before, but I don't know what else he was price point on this. So these are 155. No, he does. He does work for me. He doesn't work for me. Just little tiny like
I got more than I bargained for coming to this expo. It was a great time, but at this point, I had just been ready to move on to the next thing and put the camera down and just see what I needed to see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.